Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to keep your home, office, or property safe, today's video is perfect for you. I've rounded up the top 5 best security cameras for 2026, from wired 4K systems to wireless solar-powered cameras. We'll look at features, pros and cons, and help you decide which one suits your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. REOLINK 4K PoE Security Camera System. 8 by 8 megapixel PoE wired cameras, 16-channel NVR with 4 terabytes HDD, smart person vehicle detection, H.265 compression, 24/7 recording. The REOLINK RLK16.800D8 is a top choice for serious security, with ultra-clear 4K resolution, PoE wired connectivity, and smart detection. It's ideal for large homes or properties. The wired system provides unmatched reliability, although installation can take some time. Pros: crystal clear 8-megapixel cameras, 4 terabyte storage included. Smart person vehicle detection reduces false alarms. H.265 saves bandwidth and storage. Cons: wired installation can be tricky, not ideal for small apartments or renters. If you want all that clarity without worrying about Wi-Fi interruptions, REOLINK is perfect. But what if you prefer a wireless, solar-powered solution? Let's check out the next one. Number 2. AOSU 3K 5MP Solar Security Cameras 2-pack. Wireless, battery-powered, solar charging, panoramic PTZ with auto-tracking, human vehicle detection, color night vision. This camera is great for easy installation and long-term use without monthly fees. Solar panels keep the batteries charged, and the auto-tracking PTZ covers large areas. Night vision is vibrant and colorful, making it perfect for entrances and backyards. Pros: easy wireless setup, solar-powered, eco-friendly, auto-tracking ensures coverage, color night vision. Cons: battery life depends on sunlight. Wi-Fi signal must be strong. AOSU is wireless and eco-friendly, but if you want smart AI features like facial recognition without monthly fees, the eufyCam C35 is the next camera to see. Number 3. Eufy Security eufyCam C35 4-cam kit. Wireless indoor-outdoor cameras, magnetic mount for flexible placement, color night vision, facial recognition, local storage, no monthly fees, IP67 weatherproof and solar compatible. The eufyCam C35 is perfect for those who want easy setup and reliable smart features. Facial recognition minimizes false alerts, and the local storage means no ongoing costs. Installation is a breeze thanks to magnetic mounts. Pros: no monthly subscription, weatherproof and durable, advanced AI features like facial recognition, easy to install. Cons: storage limited to local device, slightly higher upfront cost. If your budget is tighter but you still want solid security with AI detection, the ZOSI system is an excellent choice. Number 4. ZOSI H.265 Plus Home Security Camera System. 8-channel DVR with 8 x 1080p cameras, AI human vehicle detection, 1 terabyte HDD, 80 feet night vision. ZOSI offers a budget-friendly wired system with AI detection. While not 4K, the cameras are reliable, and the included HDD provides plenty of storage, perfect for small to medium properties looking for complete coverage. Pros: affordable all-in-one system, AI detection reduces false alarms, night vision up to 80 feet, expandable system. Cons: lower resolution than 4K models. Wired setup requires effort. Finally, for complete wireless freedom with 360-degree coverage, check out the eufy SoloCam C340. Number 5. Eufy Security SoloCam C340. Wireless solar-powered outdoor cameras, 360-degree pan and tilt for full coverage, no blind spots, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, no monthly fee, compatible with Homebase S380. The SoloCam C340 is ideal for anyone who wants total outdoor coverage without messy wires. The 360-degree pan and tilt means you won't miss a thing, and like other eufy cameras, it doesn't require a subscription. Perfect for backyard or driveway surveillance. Pros: 360-degree coverage, no blind spots, wireless and solar-powered, easy setup, no subscription fees. Cons: Wi-Fi must be strong, slightly limited AI features compared to the eufyCam C35. Alright guys, that wraps up our review of the top product category. I hope this video helped you get a clearer idea of which one might be the best fit for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, drop a comment below and let me know which product you'd pick or if you have any questions. I love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.